It is official. It has been confirmed. To the Jubilee government, a court order is an opinion. Okay, what am I talking about? Last night, Senator James Orengo and businessman Jimmy Wanjigi were leaving the country to join Raila Odinga in Zimbabwe for the burial of the opposition leader of that country, Morgan Tsvangirai. And in complete contravention to court orders, one immigration officer grabbed Bwana Wanjigi's passport and took it away. Yeah, and said he had received orders from above that he's not supposed to use that passport. It has been withdrawn. Now, Orengo and Wanjigi were booked onto a Kenya Airways flight, which was due to leave the country at 9:21 p.m. They missed that flight. Now, this is getting very interesting. Yeah, as we have said before in this channel, according to the Jubilee government, a court order is an opinion. It's an opinion of the judiciary. And of course, the ruling Jubilee party has other views. The ruling Jubilee presidency has other views, contrary to those views of the judiciary. And so in Kenya today, we can confirm that it does not matter what the courts say. It does not matter what court orders are issued, yeah? Because if it is anything that the view of the Jubilee government is different, then that court order is null and void. Now, this is extremely dangerous. I mean, this development is just chaos. It's disaster, yeah? I don't know if the Jubilee government fully realizes this, and probably they do and maybe they don't care. But it has far-reaching consequences, yeah? Because when you tell the people that you don't care about court orders, that court orders are just the opinions of the judiciary, then what are you telling them? You're telling them that nobody should follow the law. That is really what you're saying. And I disagree with those who are saying that this is a battle between the executive and the judiciary. It's not. Because think about it. Who's going to be affected most? It's the people of the Republic of Kenya. The judiciary are not going to be affected. Yeah, so they issued a court order. It was disobeyed. It was ignored. Yeah, the judiciary lose nothing. Yeah, they lose face. Yeah, you can say that. But the vast suffering, the vast consequences are going to befall the people of Kenya. There are many reasons why this is going to happen. But top on the list is the fact that now any Kenyan who is in a problem with the government cannot run to the courts. What does that mean? It means that they'll have to look for alternative ways of dealing with the government. That is really what it is. And these alternative ways, chances are very high they'll be outside the law. Yeah, this is the dangerous thing. And you see, when things inevitably escalate and it becomes a serious problem, yani mambo inaharibika, you cannot turn to them and ask them, why didn't you go and get a court order to sort out this? You cannot ask them that. Because court orders in Kenya, as far as the government of Kenya is concerned currently, do not exist. They are null and void. The opinions of the judiciary to be ignored, to be cast aside at will by the government. In my view, forget the political impasse. Forget all the other problems we're going through in Kenya right now. This one is the biggest crisis of all, by far, in my view. Yeah? And I believe in the view of many. Because when you cast aside court orders, what you're saying is that you're no longer ruling according to the law and the Constitution. The law and the Constitution you have cast aside only to be quoted conveniently when it's convenient to you, and to be totally ignored when it is inconvenient to you. That's really what it is. This is extremely scary, very scary. And I believe as many Kenyans as possible should wake up to how scary this is. Until next time, this is Kshs Kumekucha.